Hey everyone, we're delighted to introduce the latest features in V-Ray 7 for Rhino. Let's dive in and see what's new. We start with one of the most eagerly awaited features, support for Gaussian Splats. This breakthrough method allows you to effortlessly incorporate point clouds into your environments and scene contexts, crafting detailed scenes by importing real-world environments that flawlessly merge with your 3D designs. Easily create extensive cityscapes utilizing scan data for accurate reflections, lighting, and engaging camera movements. Enhance the visual impact of your renders with the new Gaussian Splat support, making the creation of intricate scenes simpler than ever. Introducing V-Ray Luminaires, a new feature that simplifies complex lighting setups and renders even faster. Continue to enjoy the stunning realism of the V-Ray's lighting that you're already accustomed to, and simulate it even more effortlessly and efficiently. Plus, it comes automatically with supported lights from Cosmos, providing you with a vast library of pre-configured lighting options to enhance your workflow and achieve perfect illumination in your scenes. Discover the latest enhancements in our V-Ray Sun and Sky model, now delivering unmatched accuracy and realism for your outdoor scenes. The upgraded model captures the intricate nuances of natural light, significantly elevating your environmental renders with new nautical twilight support. Look forward to more stunning sunrises, sunsets, and deeply immersive animations, achieving remarkably dynamic and lifelike lighting during those magical moments of dawn and dusk. Get ready for some exciting shading advancements. First, you can now use texture-based remapping of a gradient to procedurally colorize grayscale textures based on gradient map values, giving you precise control over your color transitions. This feature enables more dynamic and visually appealing shading effects. Next, with textured gradients, you can connect input textures directly to the gradient points or positions for greater flexibility, allowing you to create richer and more varied textures, making intricate details easy to achieve. Our new layered texture feature allows you to composite multiple textures using a powerful layering system, similar to what you know from Photoshop. This flexibility enables you to build complex textures without needing multiple shaders. Finally, the falloff built in Mix Curve enables you to apply a custom remap curve to the falloff transition without the hassle of creating complex shaders. This makes it easier to achieve smooth and natural transitions in your textures, enhancing the overall realism of your renders. These enhancements make your shading workflow smoother and more intuitive, giving you greater creative freedom in your projects. Let's explore the new scatter improvements. First up, there's edge trimming. When enabled, any parts of the scattered instances that extend beyond the boundaries of the base or host surface are automatically clipped away, ensuring everything remains neat and precise. Next, we have camera clipping. This feature limits the scattered instances to only what the camera can see, by making your scenes more focused and efficient and reducing the number of visible objects. You can optimize your render times and resource usage. These scatter improvements enhance your ability to manage complex scenes, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient rendering process. Next up, Cosmos Asset Variants. With the introduction of support for variants of Cosmos assets, you can effortlessly switch between different versions of your assets. This feature provides tremendous flexibility and control in your asset management workflow. Simply select the ideal asset variation from the list to match the look and feel of your scene. No need to replace or re-import. And for those cases where you need even greater control, you can now assign a different material, changing the look and feel once more without any merging necessary. Experience the versatility of the new partial material override functionality. Choose from a variety of stylized rendering presets for quick iterations over schematic render styles, allowing you to experiment with different looks easily. This feature saves time by offering pre-configured options that can be adjusted on the fly, giving you greater control and flexibility in managing transparency and light refraction in your scenes. This makes it easier to achieve the precise look you desire for transparent materials without affecting the rest of the scene. Maintain essential properties like bump, refraction, and other key attributes of the original material while applying your overrides. These enhancements simplify achieving the perfect look for your projects while maintaining the integrity of your materials. Let's delve into some of the significant enhancements in the V-Ray frame buffer. Easily select one or multiple custom-shaped regions for re-rendering, giving you more control over specific areas of your scene without needing to re-render the entire image. This feature ensures you can fine-tune details efficiently, perfect for making quick adjustments and saving time on complex projects. Add a highly customizable vignette layer to your renders effortlessly, enhancing the overall aesthetic and focus of your images. This layer allows you to create the ideal vignette effect tailored to your needs. You can easily adjust the intensity and shape to match your artistic vision. Choose from the new color correction filters library included in V-Ray 7 to quickly enhance the visual appeal of your render. These presets offer a fast and effective way to boost the colors and overall look of your scenes. They are non-destructive, allowing you to lower their impact and revert at any point without losing your original look and feel. Immersive materials are now seamlessly integrated into V-Ray's LightMix, giving you the ability to adjust their lighting properties even after rendering is complete. This powerful update enables you to dynamically control the intensity, color, and overall contribution of all emissive elements in your scene. Whether dealing with light-emitting objects or glowing surfaces, you have the flexibility to tweak their appearance in real time, ensuring your final render meets your exact vision. Experiment with different lighting setups without the need for re-rendering, saving time and enhancing efficiency. Denoising is now enabled by default in all new projects, making your renders look cleaner from the start. This enables an automatic switch between the denoising engine used during interactive rendering and the one used for production rendering. With this setup, you can enjoy real-time feedback while working on your scene and high-quality results when you're ready to finalize your render. This improvement simplifies your workflow and helps you achieve stunning, noise-free renders every time. Let's discuss some exciting GPU improvements in V-Ray 7. We've made numerous internal optimizations to speed up the scene preparation process. This means the time it takes to prepare your scene before the first pixel is rendered is now faster than ever, allowing you to start rendering sooner and get immediate feedback on your work. But the real highlight is the new Caustics implementation. V-Ray 7 introduces Caustics based on photon mapping. Whether it's light refracting through water or bouncing off shiny surfaces, these improvements ensure your renders look incredibly lifelike. These highlights barely scratch the surface of the fantastic new features in our latest release. We're excited for you to experience them and see the boost they bring to your workflow.